Hello everyone, I am Batu, a crystal software specialist from American Workflows. Today, we are diving deep into the marvelous APS software, a pivotal tool revolutionizing the cannabis industry by enhancing manufacturing process with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Let's get started. We begin in the art of our system, the APS session overview. Integral to the scheduling mechanism, each session recognizable by a unique session number, such as sample 16. Orchestrates our planning scenario in the cannabis industry with unmatched clarity. From the plant column, pinpointing production locations, to the plant status, showing operational insights. Each element is meticulously designed for the dynamic needs of the cannabis industry. Moving on, let's navigate through the interface. In the cannabis industry, managing multiple manufacturing sites efficiently is paramount. The plant section, showcasing locations like A Plant 01, is where this critical coordination begins. The explanation column reveals the intricacies behind each planning scenario, a feature that cannabis industry professionals will find invaluable for handling specific production rounds or adjustments. The defined starting date and end date of each session underscores the importance of tight scheduling in the cannabis industry, ensuring production aligns with demand forecasts and delivery schedules. With the plant status, start shift, and end shift columns, the cannabis industry's dynamic production window comes into view, providing insights into operational status and active shifts. We can notice how sections like capacity calculation and non-working time empower users with the ability to fine-tune resource planning, a critical aspect for maintaining efficiency in the cannabis industry. The Gantt chart lays out the scheduling with colors, indicating various state of operations, a testament to our software's capability in managing the complex production schedules typical in the cannabis industry. In the assigned work section, each job is meticulously cataloged, reflecting the precision required in the cannabis industry. From sales order to job status, the level of detail ensures seamless tracking and execution. Resource allocation is optimized here, ensuring that every aspect of the production aligns with the high standards of the cannabis industry. Next is the productively produced, semi-produced section. It showcases a detailed list of items in the production pipeline, emphasizing our commitment to timely delivery and precise manufacturing in the cannabis industry. With every detail from good ID to delivery date, this module exemplifies the sophisticated and integrated approach needed for success in the cannabis industry. The material usage details section highlights our strategic planning in material allocation, an essential factor in minimizing waste and optimizing production in the cannabis industry. Each entry here is a step towards sustainable manufacturing, reflecting the evolving ethos of the cannabis industry. Lastly, the capacity table section. It's here that the software's efficiency shines, allowing for detailed resource allocation and planning, mirroring the complexity and dynamism of the cannabis industry. The efficiency coefficient and capacity utilization features underscores our commitment to optimizing every facet of production in the cannabis industry. With the marvelous APS software, navigating the complexities of modern manufacturing in the cannabis industry becomes a streamlined, efficient, and fully optimized journey. From planning to execution, this tool is your gateway to achieving excellence in the cannabis industry. That wraps up our overview of the system. If you are interested in further discussions or would like to explore the system customization options, please reach out to us. Thank you.